All right, so this contraption that I'm holding in my hand here is called a roller burnishing tool. And I have to be honest, for the longest time, I didn't even know that these things existed. And once I did find out that they were, a thing, I was both intrigued, but also, I don't know, a little dubious or apprehensive at the same time. So in case you're unfamiliar, the whole idea behind this thing is that this simple little tool here can be used to get a perfect, almost ground finish right off the lathe every single time with basically zero effort, all without significantly changing the dimension of your part. The way that it works is pretty simple. This hardened ball here will roll against the surface of the work, smoothing out any imperfections and leaving you with a shiny, perfect finish. And of course, because you aren't removing material, any changes to the dimension of the part are basically going to be negligible, which, I mean, let's face it, is kind of amazing. I mean, let's say, for instance, that you've been working on a part in the lathe and that final finishing pass just doesn't quite go to plan, which I know never happens to you, but it definitely happens to me, and more often than you would imagine. This tool could potentially be used to save that entire part. A bold claim, I know, which I guess is also why I was a little bit dubious. I mean, why doesn't everybody use these all the time? So I figured the best thing for me to do was to make one, use it for myself, and see how it works. So here we are. If you are interested in making one of these for yourself, as usual, the plans for this project will be available on my Patreon. Links for that will be in the description down below. If you have made it this far into the video, thank you so very much for watching. I do truly appreciate it. If you like what I do here and you want to support the channel, the easiest way to do that is to subscribe, comment, maybe even share the video. And before you go, don't forget to smack that like button silly, and I will see you in the next one very, very soon.